Good morning. It's been a while since I've actually done a vlog. I'm just turning off the TV. I am at the cottage. It is still, the lake is still kind of frozen, but it is a beautiful Easter weekend, and my parents and Amy Lee and Andrew and I decided to take advantage of it, and we are here at the cottage, which is so nice. So I thought I would just take you around with us. Today is Saturday, so tomorrow is Easter. We got here last night at 12:30. Nobody was asleep before 1:30 at least. So we've had a slow morning. It's about 11:30 and we are going to go get something to eat. I was hungry last night, woke up hungry, still hungry. So hopefully that will change soon. Walter, good morning. He's very hungry. Andrew and I, like the great dog parents that we are, left all of his food back at home. So we also have to make a stop at PetSmart. Right, buddy? You're so hungry. Hi, Andrew.
Bye.
Are you tired?
No, I'm fine.
Putting in contacts. High five. High five. Good boy.
How far down is it, honey?
I don't know.
No?
It's not all the way to the water or anything. It's like...
No, I'll just...
Hungry, Emily?
Walk down and I'll...
Are you hungry?
Okay.
It's 1 o'clock.
We haven't eaten since 6 o'clock last night.
Can we walk? Oh, we can walk. Well, there might be a wait. Welcome. Oh. Where are they? Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your brekkie?
That was delicious.
Yum. You're still eating.
I'm only here for the coffee.
We're at Costco on a Saturday. Look at those things. Those Crocs? Those are cute. It is crazy here. These are cute. I'm not videoing you, Mom. She doesn't want to be on the tube. Anyways, it is a bad day to go to Costco. Saturdays. Oh, Costco. We have chips, but I'm not eating them because I'm keto. But I'm looking for the Parmesan Wisps because everyone talks about that. Oh, what are these? We are home now. We didn't really do anything too exciting. We obviously had breakfast and went to Costco, and that was pretty much the day. It is 5 o'clock now. No one's hungry because we ate pretty late and we just kind of had some snacky foods. So now I'm going to edit a video, relax, and we're gonna play games tonight. But I'm sorry this isn't that interesting of a vlog. Maybe I'll have to make it into like a whole weekend vlog because we're just not doing that much today. I thought today would be a little more exciting. That's okay, right, Wally? Walter gets so fixated on things like balls and frisbees. Okay, let's see if I can throw this. Go! I'm gonna get it. That's Portia. I'm gonna get you. Oh, your arm is caught. Here. He can't even see where he's going. Walter, you can't see. Walter! Oh, Walter. Careful. Ugh, his little leash is falling. Walter, you can't see, and that's ice. Oh dear. Oh no. 7:43. We're having. Yeah, these are. I think these are done. We're just waiting for the barbecue. My little helper. So I'm just waiting for dinner to be done. We have had such a relaxing day. Everyone napped except for moi. See there. Everyone napped except for me. And Walter played outside. And now we're gonna have dinner, and then we're gonna have some coffee and play games. And sadly, I didn't really bring any keto-friendly treats, which is a big bummer because everyone's gonna be eating chips and dessert, and I will be drinking coffee. That's okay.
But you are ever the optimist. You really believe they would lay down their
Does anyone know what this movie is?
Yes, I think I could persuade them. Let me try.
How nice to have the fire.
We're nearing from Kenya. I want you to see the extent of these secrets.
I'll move the chair for you. You watch, we're gonna get into the room and he's gonna just get off then. It's
I can't believe you stayed on there.
10:30 and ouch, why'd you throw a hat at me? And we're gonna go to bed. We were up way late last night. I might make this a whole weekend vlog because we didn't really do that much today. I don't know what else we're gonna do tomorrow, but we shall see. Good night. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, Dad. We're watching some Coronation Street. And drinking some coffee. Just 9 a.m. I've been up since 8. And I think we're just gonna get ready and go for breakfast again. It is, the wind is so crazy here. It sounds like the tundra. You can, I don't know if you can see, but the water's broken more and it's rushing so quickly. Try and show you how windy it is. Oh. I don't know if you can hear it. Whew, it's so cold. We're at Denny's because nothing else is open on Easter Sunday. Who would have thought that nothing would be open? Just joking. Well, we kind of thought things would be open. It's technically a truck stop. How do you feel about this?
Good. I love Denny's.
No. I don't mind Denny's. Uh-oh. Is it closed? Oh no, it's open. Ooh, it smells so good. Haley, are you going in? What are you gonna get, sister? I don't know. not super keto friendly. I really want these, but I'm obviously not gonna have them. They look so good. I'm gonna be using a lot of self-control this morning. They have a birthday cake shake. Oh, this is terrible. Eating sour gum. It's very sour. Okay, I'm past that. Ooh, I don't like sour things. You used to love them. Dad's gonna hate the smell. My dad hates the smell of gum. And we're back. Let's go see our little dog. Where's Wally? Wally! How's our puppy? How's our little puppy pup? Hi. Look at the bum wiggle. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Hi, Wally. Walter.
Oops. Look at the ice. It's so crazy. I want to throw a rock. Oh, it did nothing. We are going to get dinner. It's been a very boring day, but relaxing. That's my favorite. We gotta get our purses. Why are you laughing at me? Everyone laughs at me. And I'm back. I did a terrible job at vlogging yesterday. We just walked in the door. We came home because sadly my computer died last night. My computer is only 1 year old, so Andrew thinks it's the logic board, whatever that means. So I made an appointment at the closest Apple store place to get it looked at and hopefully fixed, because I have 3 weeks left of school and this is when I need my computer the most, and I also need to make videos and all of this other stuff for my life, and my computer is not working. So that is really stressful. So I just really didn't feel like vlogging. Honestly, we had such a relaxing time, so the footage is probably really boring because I just wanted to rest and take some time and spend it with family. So maybe I'll bring you along today. We don't know what we're doing. We got home way earlier than we thought. It's like 2 o'clock, and yeah, so anyways, we're home, going to shower and get ready for this week and figure out my computer stuff. So we'll see you in a bit. Just got off the shower. Just got out of the shower. I'm not feeling like eating anything. Got a dry spot here. I'm not feeling like eating like food, but I was thinking about making some whipped cream, some keto whipped cream, because I have a few strawberries left, and if you put the whipped cream in the freezer, it kind of turns to like ice cream. So I thought I would show you how I make this. 35% whipping cream. I have my Swerve. I get the recipe from Swerve. I just type in Swerve whipped cream, and they have their own recipes on their site, swervedsweet.com, if you would like to check that out. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of Swerve, so this measures like sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 hand. So, opening. Okay. Then we have 3 tablespoons of the Swerve. So we have 1, 2, and 3. the vanilla, maybe a little bit more. I like it very vanilla-y. There we go. And let's see. That's good. And I'm just gonna take a good dollop. Maybe like a little bit more. And then I just kind of mix that around, and that is my treat. It is so yummy. So, so good. Then I eat this as ice cream later. So again, I'm failing at vlogging. We just dropped my computer off at the mall, and they said 3 to 5 business days to tell me what's wrong with it, and about, like, they think all the way to finish it'll be 7 business days, which really stinks because I need, like, not having my computer for a week is very difficult, and not even for YouTube videos but for school. So that really, really was a disappointment, but it is what it is, and I was having like some random issues with it before, so it's probably good that we're getting this looked at now. But we have not eaten all day, and it is 4:30. The only thing that we've eaten were these pepperettes that we got for the cottage. So we are heading to Chipotle, which we love. Chipotle, and then maybe go pick up some Halo Top because it's one of those days. Just need some Halo Top in our lives, and that's as far as we've gotten today. All finished. So good. So empty here. That was delicious. But we were just saying how Chipotle really hasn't taken off in Canada that much as it does in the States. Every time we go, it's like never busy, and it's just not that big of a thing here. I don't know why Canadians haven't gotten on the bandwagon, but I'm not complaining because there's never a line, but I don't want it to leave. If you're Canadian and you've never eaten at Chipotle, you need to. Hopefully we can find some Halo Top. Oh, I know we can, but I love the birthday cake one. What's your favorite one?
I've only had the pancake and waffles one, which I thought was pretty good.
That's the exit. I'm gonna go the other side.
Whole Foods. I guess this is the time.
Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. It's there. This one is my favorite. Then there's also chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm just gonna stick with what I know. This one's the best. Home now, and we are going to watch some TV and eat some. Don't mind. Just came home. Nobody judge me for this being like this. We are going to watch some TV, eat some Halo Top, and relax, because tomorrow we are back in the full swing of things, and I only have a little bit left of school, so it is going to be crazy. I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's not gonna get much greater than this. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for another video. Bye.